In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete Safari from your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, if you want just to hide Safari app icon from your home screen, you can just hold down your finger until it comes up. Then you can tap at remove app and then select remove from home screen. That will remove app icon from the home screen, but Safari app is still available. You can easily find it from the search. Just swipe down and search for Safari, and then you can open it up. And also you can find Safari at your app library. You can also search it from here. But if you want to completely remove Safari app so no one can run it on your device, you need to go into settings, then tap on screen time. If it's turned off, first enable screen time at your device. Then go to content and privacy restrictions. First of all, enable content and privacy restrictions by hitting at that button, and after that hit at allowed apps, and that's where you can completely remove Safari from your device just by toggling off this button next to Safari. After that, you can hop out settings and try to use Safari browser. As you can see, nothing happens. You can open up the search again, just like that. Then try to search for Safari, and it can no longer be found through the search and also through your app library. In here, if you search for Safari, it is also not showing here anymore. If you want to enable Safari at your device, just go back to the settings, screen time, content and privacy restrictions, allowed apps, and then just hit at that button to enable Safari on your device. And then you will be able to search for Safari and just hold down and drag it on your home screen and then hit it done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone and Safari tutorials playlists, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.